Hi and welcome to the 5ers YouTube channel and the weekly analysis. Thank you for joining us. For those who don't know, the 5ers is a proprietary trading fund who offers a great career opportunity for Forex trader and the opportunity to be a risk-free traders. In order to check our growth scheme, you are more than welcome to get inside our website, the5ers.com. Again, thank you for joining us. As every time and every week, I choose some four assets to analyze. I'll start with the USDJPY, as you can see here. And I marked up on the 1 hour chart. Okay, I marked up these two demands, this one and the one at the bottom. Okay, you can see already how the price react once the price first touch this demand here. Okay, you can see how the price in a very accurate reaction just touch in this demand level and then start to rise up. And for now the price is about to check again maybe this demand, but we can see already the first reaction of this demand. The method of supply and demand is usually tell us to trade only on the first touch of the price in supply and demand levels. So I would say that this demand seems like a great demand that was valid but not anymore. All right, because we are a bit late now. If the price will check again this demand, it became a bit more risky to trade this demand again. Anyway, what I'm looking for is at this situation, since the price has a long and very significant uptrend, as you can see here, all right, I would wait for the reversal opportunity. And this demand can be also kind of a signal and confirmation zone, because if the price will break out this demand towards down, it indicates that the price most likely on his way to reach the next available demand that the price didn't check yet. This one here at the bottom. So actually what I'm looking for is to see the price breaking out this demand, then look for a new supply or other price action setup that will give me a good signal to sell. And that's the scenario that I'm looking for. If I find a good reason to sell here, I'll sell US dollar JPY. And the final target for this position can be this demand here at the bottom, which is also a great demand for a buy position. And if the price will break out this demand, we can try to buy a new position at this one here at the bottom there. All right. So, but first, this is what I'm looking for: a breakout of this demand, a good signal, a new supply, another price action setup that will give me a good signal to sell and sell the USD JPY, hopefully to reach this target. Next one is the Canadian and the Swiss. All right. The situation here is, at least for me, much more simple. The price create a new fresh demand here, as you can see. All right. And the price already, as you can see, is in a bullish momentum. Okay. So that's demand can be a great continuation level for a buy position as long as the price won't create a new high above this one. All right. If the price from that level will slowly move down and reach this demand on the first touch, I'll buy the Canadian Swiss pair at this demand. And take a look on the daily chart. As we can see also on the daily chart, it seems that the price at least on his way to reach this area. Okay, so that will be the continuation. Hopefully the price reach there what we saw on the 1 hour chart, and that will be the final target, this line here above. All right, let's go back to the 1 hour chart. Here is the great demand to buy. Next one is the gold, the XAUUSD. Okay, and we can see also on the 1 hour chart, we can see how the price creates a great new fresh supply here above. The price dropped down very fast from that level. You can see in just 3 hours, and you can see how slowly the price and how the price struggling to go back to that level. You can see how this direction is with the power, the sellers, and that's the buyers, which seems like a powerless trend, which seems more like a technical correction before the price continue down. So on the first touch of the price at this supply, hopefully it reach there, I will sell the gold, the XAUUSD. All right, and let's take a look on the 4 hour chart. This demand that was once, it was demand that the price check once already, it's kind of it's became already a support zone. So it's no longer a demand. It used to be. After the price check this level once, I would consider this level as a support. Still a strong support that the price might still stuck in this area, and after all, I believe that the price will break down this level, but it's not a level that I will consider to buy the gold. So I sell this supply. That can be a target, maybe even the final target. Depend. It's for if you are a swing or long-term traders. And there is another target that we can for the long-term traders. I believe that the price even can reach. Even can reach that level here, right? That's demand at the bottom here. So this is what we have. Great supply, the price not far from there. If the price reach this supply, I'll sell on the first touch of the price. That can be the final target for those who want to trade for a longer terms. That can be the final target, and that can be a target to close part of the position, maybe. But those are the next two critical levels below. Okay, let's go back to the 1 hour chart. Very strong downtrend and powerless buyers uptrend. So I'll sell this supply in the gold price. All right, last one, I choose the Bitcoin, BTCUSD, as you can see here, and I choose to start with a 4 hour chart. And actually what I marked up on this chart is the next two critical levels to look for position. I will react on the first touch of the price on the first level between those two. All right, if the price will touch this supply first, I'll sell there. What we can see here on the left, it's a very strong supply. That situation called rally, base, and dropped. All right, it's the shortcut. It's a RBD. Again, that's the rally, that's the base before the price fall down and drop. All right, you can see how far the price dropped down, but still, I believe that the price on his way intends to reach this demand at the bottom. So if the price first will touch this supply, I'll sell on the first touch, and that will be the final target, this demand below. And if the price will go down and will touch first the demand level, I'll buy there, and that supply above will be the final target for this buy position. Both opportunity still valid, and both levels, this supply and this demand, are still valid since the price didn't touch none of them, not the supply and not in this demand here at the bottom. And this is what I'm waiting for. And that's all. Thank you for joining us again. If you want to see more videos and articles, you are more than welcome to subscribe to our YouTube channels or to our newsletters on the website. And you can also watch above on the link that explain more about our growth scheme in the5ers.com. Thank you for joining us. Wish you all successful trading week. See you the next week. Bye bye.